Hello, thanks for joining me. Very quick video today because I just want to show you something. I've had quite a few people asking me in comments to my videos, how are you fastening your luggage on? Where are your luggage straps attached? You know, when they've been watching videos of me touring on the bike. And so I'll show you, because something which I thought everybody knew about, but apparently not. If I just take my bag off the back here, and by the way, it's fastened on with rock straps. If you've never used rock straps, they're a revelation. And I'll remove the seat. You need the key here to remove the seat. And I'll bring it over and show you. So, on the Triumph Scrambler, underneath the seat, there are 4 little tabs which are there specifically for you to fasten your luggage straps onto. And the rock ones work perfectly because the rock straps have just got a little loop at the end. You just pass it through itself, through the loop, and they fasten on. So, and when you're not using them, there's a little plastic tab on the bottom of the seat that you can hook it onto, so it's neatly out of the way, not catching when you're taking the seat on and off. As simple as that. So just take your seat off, connect the luggage straps onto it as I have done there, pop the seat back on, and you're good to go. So there you are. If you didn't know about that, hope that's useful. Cheers. Bye.